the webinar today on intellectual property rights, organized by team of our college. I welcome you all in the program with great pleasure. Today, we have with us
Sir, you have muted yourself, sir. Sir, please unmute yourself. Sir, please unmute yourself, sir.
You know very well that higher education institutions like colleges and universities generate human resource for the development of the society. It's equally important to encourage our beloved ones, assist and encourage them at length so that they can explore their talent in best possible way. It is our responsibility to provide them a platform to give them better understanding about their creative talents, especially regarding creating masterpieces of manuscripts and publishing them for the enlightenment of the society associated, and to encourage them to explore their talent by creating new, useful, and valuable inventions for the betterment of humanity. It's also equally important to acquaint them to know that how can their business run without interference of others by knowing the laws and regulations established by the government for their protection. One thing I must say that our cream of human resource is escaping and they see value of their talent abroad instead of their home. Though they also generate a revenue for the country, but the inventions they made are more valuable than the revenue they generate for the country, and we later on purchase Apache helicopter and Rafale from other countries, though our country is not lacking talent. Our responsibility lies in that we should accordingly create platforms for our human resource and assist them in better possible way. Today, through its webinar, I expect that our students who are future planners will know about the IPR and will strive for better exploration of their talents. Wherever they need help, counseling, and suggestions, they will not hesitate to approach their mentors. I once again welcome Advocate Muhammad Ayub Sahab, Advocate Yemen Kusturi, and all the participants across the country in this webinar on intellectual property rights. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for welcoming our speakers and guests. Now, I would like to directly invite Advocate Muhammad Ayub Dar. He is a resource scholar of AMU. He has in his credits 5 publications and many short-term courses, and he has attended so far more than 17 conferences. I would like to invite now Mahmood Dar. Mahmood Dar Sahab, you are welcome in the webinar.
Yes, thanks for the welcome remarks. Indeed, it is really my privilege. First and foremost, respected principals at Government Degree College Women, Pulwama, and the coordinator and dear participants, it is really my privilege and pleasure that I have been invited to throw some light on the IPR. I will start from what has been said by our learned and experienced principals, sir, that why we have conducted this webinar on the IPR in order to create useful and valuable talent These were really the very good words. So how to explore the talent and how we can use their talent in the present day world. I am supposed to speak what is importance of IPR. But before throwing light on the importance, we must know what IPR is. Because whenever we are talking on the IPR, it refers to the creation of mind. It is the human mind. So when we say IPR, it is the intellectual property mind, intellectual property right. And what is that right? And on what that take is being granted. For example, हम inventions की बात, we are talking about inventions, literary and artistic works, or designs, symbols, names, images that are in commerce, and in different way we are protecting them. For example, in case of literary works, copyright is available, patent is, trademarks, geographical indications, trade secrets, different sort of protections are available. But the first notion that comes in our mind when we talk about the property, what comes in our mind? For example, the land is the property. I am trying to make it understand. Teaching is a two-way process, you know better than me, but I am trying to make you understand in a simple way, what does the intellectual property mean? Because the first thing that comes in our mind when we talk about the property, land is the property, house is the property, shop is the property, but what is the intellectual property? That is the property which is created through human intellect. That is the invention. That is the creation. For example, the book that has been written, and how that book can be protected, because that involves the labor, the money, the time of a particular person, and how we can protect the real owner from the unauthorized use, so that the third party may not misuse that product. So what sort of legal actions are available? That is why we must know that what is the importance of IPR. Why IPR is very important. IPR is very important because it safeguards what? The rights of the creators. Because without IPR, we would not have been in a position to protect the rights of the IPR. So it is only possible. And another thing is that it is a strategic tool of development, be that rural development, economic development, be that national development, development of the state. So at every respect, when we are talking about the development of the state, development of the country, how we can develop our state, how we can develop our country, that is important. For example, we have products. Some company is producing. When a product is being manufactured, and what is the authenticity of that product? And when that product comes in the market, how the consumer can rely about the authenticity of that product. So we must know that. So that is known only through this intellectual property right. For example, we have in our hands the Redmi mobile. What is the Redmi mobile? What is the design of it? Whether anybody can copy it. And if somebody has copied it, what is the claim of action? If somebody infringes the right, so why lies the claim at that time? So law intervenes. When law intervenes from the initial idea, what was the idea? The idea was to create something, to produce something. And when that initial idea bear the fruits of the result, and when the product has been created, and when that product is available in the market, that comes in the public domain, then when product comes in the public domain, then what is there? There is the danger of imitation. So protection is given to what? Protection is given to idea itself. The law could intervene when we talk about the intellectual property right. That intervenes at the point of where the product reaches the market. Because in the market there are chances of what? There are chances of imitation. That product can be imitated. So how to protect that product from the imitation, from the counterfeiting of the products? That is why we can say that intellectual property right is very important in the present day world. Because in the present day world, the trade that is not restricted to one state or two states. There is nowadays the concept of globalization. There is the concept of trade liberalization. If we want to buy a product, that product is just a click away. If that product is available in America, we can just click and that will reach to our home. But what is the authenticity of that product? Whether that product is real. Real means the company which has produced that product. How the consumer can rely on that? And the person and the company who has manufactured that product, who has created that product, who will provide him the incentives. With regard to that, it is the intellectual property right. Intellectual property right, because that is the intellectual creation of a person, so it is necessary to provide some incentives to that individual for new creations, for the inventions. And not only the incentives are being provided, but what is also being happening, that the creator, that the inventor. Yes, hello?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. So, and another thing is that how we can give recognition to those products. If we are talking about Redmi mobile, then Redmi mobile is acceptable to the market. When there was the idea of producing something, idea of designing something, and when that has been designed, and after designing of that product, and now that product is in the public domain. When a product comes in the public domain, that is in the market. And when it comes in the market, then there are the chances of imitation, because some other person can imitate that. So at the stage of what? At the stage of the market, when a product comes in the public eye, then it becomes necessary that we must protect that product. Because what is that product? Initially that was the idea. And what is that idea? That is the property. Hello, am I audible too? Hello?
Yes, continue, you are audible.
Yes. So why we need to protect the idea of that very person? Because that idea is also a property, just like the land, just like the house of a person. Because what is this idea? That is the intellectual creation of a person. We need to recognize this, and not only to recognize, but we must be rewards the material reward of that intellectual property in order to foster the scientific development. Because development is not possible unless and until we make efforts in what? In research and development. For example, when we discuss the importance of IPR, nowadays there is hue and cry after the outbreak of coronavirus. What happened after the outbreak of coronavirus? So many nations, open access letter has been distributed. There was crisis in America about the HCQ hydrochlorine drugs. And some other countries, for example, Israel, Canada, Germany, how they use their intellectual property rights. What type of rights are available? When there is emergency, when there is public health emergency, when there is urgency. Because in case of urgency, if some drug has been created, if some drug has been made, So at that time, what will happen? Because the poor people, they may die. How to prevent them from dying? So in case of great grave emergency, in case of national emergency, it is the intellectual property right they come to the rescue of the poor persons. Because what are the provisions in the intellectual property that how we are supposed to use that product? If, for example, today the vaccine will be created, in order to treat the coronavirus.
Assalamu alaikum. I request all participants please mute their voices. Please mute their voices. I request all the participants please mute their voices.
So, sir, you have muted yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, I have muted. 1 minute. So what I mean to say that if today the vaccine will be created, because by that vaccine we are supposed to cure what? The corona. By treating the corona, we cannot deny the right of a poor person. At that time, we are supposed to provide him to ensure the better treatment. At that time, what is the importance of the IPR? It is the IPR that provides that if the company which has produced that vaccine, if they are not in a position to provide that vaccine in a sufficient number, then what will happen? Then the central government can do what can do.
One minute,
that in case of emergency, they will provide compulsory licenses. Like compulsory licenses will be provided. For what purpose? To use.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
To sell.
I have to communicate a message, sir. Please, Ayub sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. I think our meeting will end in a few minutes, and I would like to communicate to the participants that if we are getting disconnected, we will share another link in the group. Then they can participate. I think we are having some technical problem, and in advance, I would like to request to all the participants that we will be sharing then another link in the group. Okay, sir, you proceed, sir.
So I was talking about that the importance of the IPR in the present scenario, because it is the IPR that contributes enormously to national and state economies. Because nowadays the dozens of industries, the property of those industries on the IPR, they do not own any shares, they do not have any debentures, their only properties that is the intellectual property assets. Because it is the intellectual property right, we can mortgage that. That can be mortgaged, that can be sold, that can be purchased, and that is easily, and how that is easily accessible. And that is, the expectations are high, that the importance of intellectual property, that is growing day by day. In order to meet the decade-old challenge, in order to meet other crises, the unemployment crisis, because nowadays, if we talk about America, where 55 million people are earning only through the IPR, they are earning their means of livelihood only because of, so millions of people around the world, they are dependent upon the IPR, intellectual property right. So it becomes very important in the wake of all these challenges, whether that is the challenge of globalization, that is the challenge of free marketing, how we can protect our innovations, how the creativeness is able to compete in the market. Because without
Shibir, what is the problem? Shibir, what is the problem? You are not audible.
Sorry, you are not
Shibir,
audible.
sir, is there any problem? Speaker is not audible.
yes, not audible.
Yes, now your voice audible.
Yes. So what I was talking that in this stage of fair marketing, how much the intellectual property is important. Because when we talk about the development of the society that depends upon the intellectual property right.
Excuse me, Oyub sir. Oyub sir, you are not audible. Excuse me, Oyub sir, you are not audible.
I don't know why the problem, but there is some technical issue.
Intellectual property water harvesting it is small.
Yes, am I audible to all you are not?
Yes, you are audible.
Ali
now.
Koyum Saab is audible.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
Now
you are audible now.
You are audible now.
Yes.
Please continue, you are audible.
Yes, when we talk about the present day developments, how the developments are taking place. And
Participants, please mute your audio.
whenever we talk about the development, yes, whenever we talk about the development, I am receiving some message that voice is breaking. Say there is some technical issue, I think. So whenever we are talking about the developments, without the development of the intellectual property right, it is not possible that in today's world we will develop our society. Because, and what is the procedure for that? What is the policy framework of that? Hello, am I audible or not?
Yes, you are audible.
It is my humble suggestion to all of you that please unmute yourself.
मीटिंग शुरू
Please microphone, because I am receiving number of messages that their voice is breaking. They are not in a position to hear me.
So you please continue.
But I was talking that how we can develop our society, how it is possible that our society can develop in today's technological period, and how we can continue our economic growth and advancement in the technological sector. If we talk about the technological sector, if we talk about economic growth, then it is very important that we must protect our intellectual property rights, because that is very important. That's an intellectual creation. That is the property, just like we protect the property of others. That is why in a very recent WHO